This video should be fairly quick one. That's about battery replacement on Gravely GTX-42. Can't see from here which type of battery I have, but based on those connections I assume it's U1. I'll start by removing negative terminal. That's size 7/16. Same thing on positive. Now I'm gonna remove bracket, this one. You can just remove this piece. I'm gonna also loosen the other one. And let's pull the battery out. Here's the battery, and it's U1L235. Let's look at the new battery. So on Amazon it says it's AGM battery, which I hope it is. Let me know whether it is or not. I'm not gonna need to use those. I think I'll install this piece. Fits fine. Gonna start by connecting the bracket. Gonna tighten this one first. Doesn't have to be too tight. Gonna use battery cleaner and protectant. I'll put a bit more all around. Now work on the negative side. Let's see if it's gonna start. Sure hope so. Started right up. So generally if you use regular U1 batteries like that, battery probably gonna last just a couple of years, maybe up to 3 years, just from my experience. From what I heard by reputable mechanics, if you're using AGM battery, it should last or could last even a decade, maybe longer. Key with AGM batteries is do not let them drain, and way to do it is keep the battery charged on battery tender. It's a lot easier if you have garage, because last battery tender device I had left outside and died because of rain. So here's what I did. It's hooked up to battery tender. This extension, I think it's about 20 feet or so, and it is connected to battery tender. Anytime I'm not using the lawnmower, I'll always keep it on battery tender. And I'll keep you updated if there will be any issues with the battery or how long it will last. If you're watching this video 5-10 years from now on, leave a comment, ask me how's the battery doing, and I'll reply as soon as I can. If you have any other questions as well, leave comments and I'll reply. I'll leave Amazon affiliate links for the battery, for battery tender. I'll try to find extension on Amazon as well. I'll leave all those links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.